If you want to make friends, remember one thing: everybody is friendly. There is no single human being on planet who is not friendly. You just have to take the initiative. You have to go first. If you go and start talking to somebody about a topic which they are interested in and everybody is interested in something, they are friendly to you. But if you keep thinking, hey, people are not friendly around you, you will never go and approach and you will never make friends. So if you are at a new place, if you are in a new country, if you are in a new environment, you have to initiate. It might be embarrassing in the beginning if nobody responds because you don't have that confidence of going and talking to people. But if you don't practice of doing that, you will never be able to become that person who initiates first. And if you don't initiate first, the friendly environment doesn't get generated for you.